numericals are there, you can generalize them. You can generalize them. Okay, there's a rod at an instant of time, so there'll be a force F naught, and I can replace this rod by a cell of EMF E. Let V be the velocity of the rod, and from Lenz's law, the direction of induced current is towards left, so anti-clockwise, and BIL force will act here. Then the rod will accelerate. Then what is I? I is equal to E by R, BLV by R. Then let's write equation. So MA is equal to F naught minus BIL, no? And this is M dV by dt. F naught is a constant horizontal force that is applied along the rails. It is B. What is I? M dV by dt F naught B square L square V by R. You know enough of kinematics. From that, I'm writing dV by F naught minus B square L square VR by dt by M. Further simplification, F naught R you can integrate there only. Let me bring quotient of V, let it be 1. Initially it was a test. So this should be equal to log of F naught R B square L square minus V 0 to V is equal to minus of B square L square MR T. Upper limit, lower limit, substituting all this, I'll end up with B square L square F naught R. And I'll write one more step. Log of, this will be F naught R, log of F naught R B square L square. Let me write that lambda. This all, everything is lambda. So the equation for V will be one minus, no. So this should be F naught R B square L square 1 minus. Just check it once. Okay, this one. So I got the expression for V. And finally, what happened to the rod? What type of motion the rod will describe? What type of motion the rod is going to describe here? So shall we put like this? There's a graph. And what is Vt? Terminal velocity. What is the terminal velocity? After long time, the speed of the rod will become constant, and how much equal to, I'll say, terminal velocity. Tell me, what about the energy relationship here? How that energy relationship that occurs? The power generated by external agent. What will happen for t less than 0 and after long time? For t less than infinity, for t equal to infinity. At any time t, what is the power